saying to find 17th summer, to find the 20th term. So what I should find is that is saying to find A20. Correct? Yes or no? First, what is saying to find the 20th term. So A20 is equal to question mark. Next.
From the last term of the
Huh.
3,
3, 8, 13. So on. 253. Okay. Now see here. This is very interesting sum. Different sum. Other than that. Now what he's saying is all the time we went like this till now. Correct? We have went straight. Now he's saying from backwards. From backwards I should find the 20th number itself. So from here backwards, can I tell the 20th number? If I go from front, can you tell me the 20th number A70, A50? We can't tell, correct? So only what I will do, I will go backwards only. First 253 will come. 253 minus 5. 253 minus 5. 248. 248 minus 5. 243. 243. So on till 13, 8 and 3. Now can I tell the 20th number or no? Now can I tell the 20th number? Now in this case, can I tell my 20th number? I don't know. Yes or no? How many students are there? I don't know. Means how can I tell who is the 20th number? Getting or no? So I have made it proper now. Understood this? What I did here? I should go from backwards. Now what is my A? A is equal to 253. What is my D? Is equal to A2 minus A1. My A2 is 248 minus of 253 minus 5. D is minus 5. Here D was plus 5. Here I made it ulta. D is minus 5. I got my A, I got my D. Now can I find A20 or not? Can I find A20? It's very easy now. So A20 is equal to A plus 19D. So A is how much? A is how much? 253 plus 19 as it is. D is minus 5. 253, 19 into minus 5, tell me. 19 5 7. 19 5 7. 95. I'm weak in 19 tables. So my 253 minus 95. Fast. 253 minus 95. 130. 158. 158. Everyone must do that whenever I say calculations. 158. Okay. Understood? Understood the sum? He will give one AP. Understand the D. Take it ulta. How much? If it's plus 5, you take it minus 5. And you go backwards. Make an AP and find the 20th term. Are you easy? Okay, right.